Did you know that data-driven organizations are 23 times more likely to acquire customers and 6 times more likely to retain them? Imagine transforming raw data into powerful strategic insights. Organizations struggle with overwhelming data complexity, facing challenges in extracting meaningful insights, making strategic decisions, and understanding complex economic patterns. Ineffective data analysis leads to missed opportunities, strategic vulnerabilities, and significant competitive disadvantages. Professionals face critical personal challenges, data overwhelm, limited analytical skills, and difficulty translating complex information into actionable strategies. Teams become paralyzed by statistical complexity, preventing innovative approaches to economic understanding. This comprehensive training provides a revolutionary approach to economic analysis and data analytics. Participants will master advanced techniques for transforming complex data into strategic insights, learning sophisticated analytical methodologies that drive organizational decision-making. Organizations will experience transformative benefits: improved strategic planning, more precise economic forecasting, enhanced competitive intelligence, and data-driven decision-making capabilities. Leaders will develop the ability to turn data into a powerful strategic asset. Participants will gain advanced skills in statistical analysis, economic modeling, and strategic data interpretation. They will learn to decode complex economic signals and transform raw information into competitive advantages. Do not just collect data, unlock its strategic potential. Your organization needs professionals who can turn information into intelligent strategy. Enroll now and become a data analytics expert.